Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Zakatul Fitr. Like a prayer, fasting has been a part of Sharia given all by the prophets. Their followers fasted as we do. But the number of days, period, and the rules varied from one Sharia to another. Zakatul Fitr, a purifier. Fitr is breaking the fast. Zakatul Fitr means the purifying duas given on the ending the fast of Ramadan. It is a charity given an act of purification. This is usually equivalent to the price of one good meal for each member of the family and is used for the relief of the poor and needy, enabling them to share the festivals. Our little failings. Believers fasting during Ramadan do all they could to absorb the scaredness of the holy month. But to error is human. No human being can remain completely free from errors and temptations. We err and make mistakes consciously or unconsciously. We all have our little failings. Giving of Zakatul Fitr serves a twofold purpose. It purifies the faster of their errors and failings, and it promotes the cause of poor and the needy. It helps us to perfect the fast because good deeds drive evil deeds. The month of Ramadan is also the month of forgiveness and charity. Zakatul Fitr, its command. Allah's Messenger ﷺ describes Zakatul Fitr one sa of dates or one sa of barrel for every slave and free male and female, young and old from among us. The Muslim and the Prophet ordered to give it before people go out eat for Eid prayer. Report Abdullah bin Umar, Sahih al-Bukhari and Muslim. Thus, Zakatul Fitr is an obligation on each and every Muslim who possesses more than he needs, to give a specified portion from the relief of the poor and the needy. It is levied on individuals, not on material goods like money, gold, silver, and cattle. The fast of Ramadan ends with the festival of breaking the fast, Eid al-Fitr. It is an occasion for celebration and a thanksgiving by individual for having the strength to complete the fast and thus fulfilling their duty. Eid al-Fitr is also the festival of alms giving. Zakatul Fitr should be better be paid a couple of days before the Eid. Muslims who have not paid it should do so before the Eid prayer, with which the festival begins. This is the purification act which allows the poor and the needy to participate in the festival. Allah's Messenger ﷺ describes Zakat al-Fitr to the faster as a purification from fool and shameful talk and as food for the poor, reports Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu an. Abu Dawood in Majah. It should be paid before Salatul Eid. If it is given before Salah, it is accepted by Allah as zakat. If it is given after Salah, it will be treated an ordinary charity. Zakatul Fitr becomes obligate at dawn on the day of Eid. Zakatul Fitr could be paid in the form of money, dates, wheat, barrel, cheese, or the usual food of country. As sa measure, the measure 2176 grams approximately. For the poor, the day of Eid al-Fitr is the richest day for the year. Not only do they receive charity, but they are able to participate fully in the festivities. The poor and the orphan share its festival. The lonely and the strangers feel at the home among others who are entitled to receive Zakatul Fitr. Eight categories of people entitled to receive Zakatul Fitr according to the Quran are entitled to receive Zakatul Fitr. Also the Quran say, إنما الصادق للفقراء المساكين واعلمي عليها وألفة قلوبهم وفي رقاب وغير منا وفي سبيل الله وبالسبيل فريضة من الله والله عليم حكيم. Zakat for the poor and the needy and the employed to administer the funds for those whose hearts have been recently reconciled to truth. For those his foundation and the depth in the cause of Allah, and for the wayfarer thus it is ordained by Allah, and Allah is full of knowledge and wisdom. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.